So it's 4 a.m. Me and Cameron are on our way. Actually, it's almost probably about 4:45 a.m. But still 4 a.m. Me and Cameron, we're getting ready to go to the Keys. We just stopped at a racetrack, get some food, get some scratch-off tickets. Cameron's feeling lucky, I guess. So we're on the way. We'll be there hopefully pretty soon. Not pretty soon. We gotta drive ahead. But that's why we woke up at 4 a.m. Here we go. Alright, we're gassed up. We're on our way. Cameron won nothing.
I won $2 actually.
Well, he won $2. And you know.
Didn't turn it in.
And turned it in. And then didn't, you know, whatever. Bought another one with the $2. Basically, didn't win. But now we're on our way to the Keys, so it's a good day. So we're here. We made it to Burdines. Me and Cameron. Boom. Hours later, it feels like forever. So we left at 4. It's about 9. We're here. We made it. We're waiting for Al, Grant, Ashlee, and Adam to get here on a little P. Should be here any second now. What? We're here. We made it. It's time to go catch the Mauis.
Maui,
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hello, everyone. We are down in Marathon. Andrew and Cam met us down here. We're filling up with gas. Just got some ice. Got the rods ready. Got Ashlee here. Made the trip down.
Mai's not gonna know what it's gonna hit him.
We're getting ready to catch some Maui today. We're gonna go target it. Should be a fun day. Well, you know how. We've made it to the fishing grounds. 633 feet of water. Trolling. Weather perfect. Grant. Sexy. Yeah. We're coming for the fish. They should be scared.
Dog shit. Absolute dog shit is going on out here. No weed lines, no birds. Waves are kind of kicking. We're fucked.
And that's it. There you have it. We're moving in where the fish actually are. We're currently running. It's noon. We haven't caught a fish yet. Captain Andrew's passed out. It's a tough day. We had a full moon last night, ruining our Mahi bite. So we're gonna stay optimistic. Keep this thing running. It's a beautiful day out here.
What do I do with it?
Well, there's currently 6:37, and we have the first fish of the day, Captain Andrew Likens. He's got a nice little Maui on.
Yeah, grab me. Let me see that spin fish. Can I bring it up on this side?
How's she feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty good. Not giant,
Okay.
but nice.
Hey, it's first fish of the day. We're hoping for a keeper. I mean, we got the crew watching. Captain put us on. Beautiful night here in Marathon.
It's beautiful out here.
We see color?
Get your little root beer chartreuse now, though?
Oh, we see color. Any schoolies? No schoolies.
That's cool. I'm not far away. Are we neutral? Or are we?
No. GoPro just shut down. No. He's coming in.
Why do you have the first fish right there?
And we got a Maui in the boat.
Maui.
Wow, what a night. Hey, Cam.
Look at that.
27 to the fork. Little picture?
Sorry.
Nah, stick her in there. Maui in the boat. What is he doing? Oh, he's on! Grant's on! Al, Grant's on! Distracted. Oh no! He's down the back already! Oh, Maui on! Oh yeah!
I'm chasing him. You need me to chase him? Are you backing?
Yeah. Actually, no, I can handle it. Here. Here you go.
What do you want me to do? Film him? guy on the 4,000 rail. Fighting some pelagic fish. Making this easy. Here came on film with it.
Of course. That's a Maui though. You see any guy with him?
No.
Looks like a keeper all day though. Him in a boat, yeah, buddy.
Did we lose the net? No, it should be up there.
Round number 2.
And we got birds.
Woo! Love the little Stratic going to work.
Two nice size Maui.
There we go, some ball in the boat now.
The hook pop.
Did that thing bite it when it was going out?
Yeah.
Hawaiian blue might be the move.
White and blue. Jeez.
Grant's on again. The man.
So jealous.
We're still running all Stratic.
jealous?
We're running
You're
my
jealous?
Stratic, we're running your Stratic.
Hey, Ashley, get here. Come on.
We're going net this time.
Chaos. Love it.
Chaos out here in the open water. I'm going net this time. This thing needs some work.
Net? Come on.
I got practice.
For what?
There's fish all up in here. Actually, sit in here. There's fish all up in here. There we go.
Oh.
Actually, back out there. Can't get straight out.
Oh, camera in.
Let it drop, let it drop. Here you go, I have. Ash, get out of there. What are you doing?
Oh, you got one. We just ate the whole valley?
Who's on?
Oh no. What's going on over there?
I know that.
We got spoolies. We gotta leave him in. I'll take care of this guy. You gotta leave him in. You gotta leave him in.
Ashley, you're all the way at the front of the boat. Ashley, come on. He's all the way up here.
Go around.
Come on, come on. All right, here we go, here we go.
Tighten this, tighten this.
There you go, Ash.
I gotta get hurt, I gotta get hurt. Over.
Trying.
The new net.
Over.
Oh! There it is. They have to be
18?
No, 20 to the fork.
Look at that.
20 to the fork.
Are there still spoolies around here or what?
I don't know.
Was that all?
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa, root beer chartreuse?
The root beer chartreuse. Everyone thought it was a myth.
You flipped them out? Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, hey, right here.
There's more. Keep getting them.
You might not allow me to get
So irritating. Don't roll that over the boat, man.
Let it sink a little more.
What's on the net? Here's a good little GoPro shot, Andrew.
Double in the net. Oh yeah, both in the net. Brand new net.
You want to throw on that side with that?
Let's get that one in the net.
Where?
I don't know. I have no freaking clue.
Let's see. Let's get the measurements here. The Grant Post measurements. Oh god. Oh god. So what is this? One of yours and one of Ashley's?
Yeah.
What are we talking? What are we talking here?
That guy is 24 to the fork. She's a keeper.
Yeah. Into the cooler. Let me see this. Come on, guy. Let's go. To the cooler we go. To the cooler. Let's
Ashley,
go.
get over here.
Let's go. To the cooler. Excuse me.
This guy's a keeper too. Yeah,
Oh, Cameron's on.
This guy's a keeper.
Cameron's on. Come on, the net.
Dude, the net's 2 for 2. Thank you very much. Ruby Chartreuse is all over the place.
Yeah, it is. No one believed in the root beer chartreuse, and here it is, catching all the fish, huh?
I think they're still back there. I think the schoolies are still back there. Yeah, they are. There's schoolies all over.
There's schoolies everywhere.
Grant, get in there.
In there, I'm in there. Oh, Cameron, he spit. Ashlee's on.
Sorry, he wasn't gonna keep.
Adam, what's going on? Other side,
Yeah.
other side.
Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh.
We got.
Ashlee's on. Cameron and Grant tangled. How's he looking? Is he looking like a keeper? No, he looks a little small. Oh, I missed it! He jumped! He just jumped right in the net!
That one's still blue.
Wait, I have nothing on this. Is that okay?
That was cool.
And
No, here, let me get something. Oh, here, you can use this actually. Move your foot. Okay.
mine might be a little small.
Oh, that's
There you go.
Throw it in.
Yep,
After
you're good.
him.
Why isn't he swimming? He's just there.
He doesn't even know yet, really. Flip him, come on.
Seriously, is he retarded? Do I have a retard than mine?
No, you did. Al, you want to know? There he is. There he is. Oh, God. Oh, God. He's using it like a
You're
little...
gonna break your own rod.
Put the mail, Cam, put the mail. This is there.
There you go. Ashlee's on.
Measure car. Get me out of there.
Oh.
Get me out.
Hey, Al, you got another one? See if you can jump in again. Oh, almost.
Get him out! Go in!
They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
Al, get it off!
Watch out, sir.
All right.
Really small.
Mine was.
The one was just
The one on the ground. That looks small. Do you think so?
This one?
That was on the vomit. Here, I'll measure.
How big this be? 21?
20
He
to
didn't
4.
want to swim when he was in the damn water. Now he wants to go for a fucking swim.
Measure in the cooler. How do you mean? Measuring tape on the cooler.
You want it? Al, can you get the hook out of there? It's 5:50 the next day. What's today? Friday? Is it Friday? I think it's Friday. Oh, there's snook on the snook lights. We're just fishing these snook lights. Oh, you're getting ran down by like 5, dude. Those are nice ones. Those are nice snook.
That's a tarpon.
That's a tarpon. Those are all tarpon. Sunrise bite. Cameron's on the little rod. Still back to the backing. It made a good run. We're worried. And he's back on the braid. Back in the braid. It hasn't jumped yet. So it's a bit confusing. It could be a tuna or a bonita.
Yeah, I'm feeling those head shakes.
Oh yeah, I bet you it's a bonita.
Really? I think it's a tuna.
Oh, I'm feeling head shakes. For sure.
That'll be nice,
little-
nice cut bait.
Feels heavy. Come on.
What are the bets
Yeah,
here?
fine.
Tuna, bonita,
Yeah.
tuna.
Something big. Or something. Don't keep going in. No, I know it is. It's like the dinner. That's how we lost.
Hasn't even got color yet.
Get your bitch ass up here.
You want to gaff from that? What's the plan?
See what's going on, guys.
I think it'll be a netter. Oh yeah.
Nice big mouth would be pretty cool. I doubt it though.
No, it's not.
Why not deep like that?
We're getting you guys. Oh, I think that's a Maui.
No. Tuna bonita. That's a tuna. Tuner. Tuna. It's a nice one. Not a bad one. Those are bigger than the ones you catch on the hum. Here it is.
It's a nice one. It's a nice little football.
Yeah.
That is actually big.
I ain't
I
got
still. Is it a tuna bonita? I can't. The sun's like. No, it's a bonita.
Yeah.
All right, bonita. Cut bait. There we go.
Hi, Cameron here. We've been trolling for how long? 2.5, 3 hours maybe? Somewhere around there.
Yeah, about 3 hours.
About 3 hours. One small Mahi, all bonita.
That's it.
We're losing. People are passed out everywhere. Oh, Ashley's awake. Okay. What do you gotta say, Andrew? Fish is not cooperating. Storms in the sky.
The last spot on the way in. Al hooked up.
Over there.
It's a little guy.
Our seagull.
Let me see what's going on.
Just film the sea.
Nice jack.
Is it a jack? That's a nice jack. Jeez. Big guy.
Okay, that was rude.
Oh, you gotta grab your tail, dude. Ah!
Cameron. Swim it in.
You know me and trying to land fish.
I know. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's a good fish.
You can get rid of them whenever you're ready.
This ain't my fish.
Nice catch, Al. God, them back
Here you go, bud.
Manhandle. I don't want that shit.
Here you go.
You can go ahead and get it.
There you go. Alright.
No, man, motherfucker.
He's back here. See me?
Yeah, just film it. Nobody cares about Jack.
We're back. Made it to the room. Tough
day
It was rough.
today.
It was really tough day. Jeez, yeah, we caught
3 fish in the boat.
Yeah, 3 fish. We got 1 jack, a bonita, and a little mahi that wasn't keeper. So it was pretty rough. Now me, Cameron, and Ashley are driving all the way back to Naples. He's screwed. We're driving all the way back to Naples because Cameron's got to work tonight, and we both have school tomorrow. But after school,
You're back with me.
I'm coming back.
Me and Al are gonna 2-man it
Yep.
for a little bit. Lauren,
I'm bringing Kendall and Brittany.
Pete, are you?
I am.
The 2 ladies are coming.
Yeah, they are.
Good for us.
They are.
There's
It's gonna be fun. Oh, there he is. We're looking for Cameron. Couldn't find him. He's all the way. You can't even see him. He's like right there. Yeah. Okay. Well, bye. We made it back home from the drive yesterday. It's now Friday. It's 8:04. This is the whole reason that we came back today. I gotta go to school. Me and Cameron. We gotta go to good old EMT school. That's why I didn't skip school. If it was a regular school, you know, who cares? But not this school. Gotta do it. And then leaving right after school and going back to the key.